So I'm reading these letters, among members social media, MKP, where the speaker suspends them. I think for me, what came to mind was to ask myself, if in recall AMA rules, does the speaker have powers to suspend the members? Yes, the speaker has powers to suspend the members, but when she can do that, Section 63 RFA, the speaker can suspend members immediately using Section 66. So what speaker should have done, she should have named these members during the sitting by names as individuals if invoke Section 63. Then bese apply Section 66 ukuba suspender for these 5 days akhuluma ngawo. But akakwazi speaker by the same rules ukuthi akwenze after a sitting has been adjourned. Akakwazi ukwenza lokho speaker. So this decision yokuba suspender is not in line with the rules that the speaker is applying, because she was presiding the meeting. The only time where a speaker can have this decision after a meeting is when the presiding officer was not a speaker, because the presiding officer must then engage with the speaker. Then in their consultation, then they come up with a sanction. But that sanction within 2 sitting days must then be tabled in the House and communicated. Now, in this case, what the speaker has done, uzenze presiding officer ongeyelo speaker, but she was a speaker. Uma invoke Section 63 1A, that section, it yena speaker at the same time was supposed to suspend those members using Section 66, because ukhuluma ukuthi refer to Section 63 and invoking Section 66 to suspend my members. But I was suspended afterwards, because that section referred to immediate suspension if a feeler ukuthi keep a member with house is not enough. But nakhona you name members. Section 63 uthi naming and suspension of a member. Awukhuluma about members. So yena, she is making a ruling on 37 members. What the speaker should have done right now, after ehlulekile, when suspension immediately, because I'm going to invoke this section immediately, not afterwards. So it's now outside the rules akwenzayo. So this can be challenged by those affected. But issue njengamanje ukuthi the speaker should have taken this matter to ethics committee, where ethics committee can look at individual misconduct and charge them accordingly. Because awukwazi ukuthi ungaveliswe igroup of 37 uthi they have the same misconduct, because ngenze komunye bemile omunye beshouta esho amagama mhlawumbe ngamela awasho kodwa bebemile azangasho lutho. So now you are grouping them, so you can't group abantu with sanction. So I think the speaker here got it wrong. But more also, I think MKP need to read AMA rules so that they can able to fight their battles within AMA rules. Because without reading AMA rules, you will end up being really a football stadium for the speaker, because speaker always abuse AMA powers now. Because in this case, for example, the speaker have no powers to suspend these members, not at all. And I'm that strange. No one have challenged the speaker does he have powers to suspend these members after a sitting. The understanding I have of AMA rules, speaker, yes, when our mandla during the sitting, but after a sitting, send our mandla to suspend these members. In the Fnayenze, Ubarefia with ex committee. Funa corner the breach abanayo, ili breach ka 1661, ekuluma kwa kulu yonake, ekuluma ngendaba ye misconduct, a grossly disorderly conduct of a member. But otherwise, MKP can challenge this decision because speaker have no powers. According to section I speaker uyena okhotha wrong sections basically. Unless maguthi khona enye, but la ikhotayo akana amandla uyisebenzisa after sitting. Kwakumela yenze immediately isanction asho ukuthi ba suspender for 5 days according to section 66. Hayi afterwards. Afterwards kumele base ku ethics, and as individual funa khona you can't charge abantu as a group because ayifani misconduct yabo.
Bishop TP Ngcobo, we are saying to you, all South Africa, all the citizens of South Africa, sitige happy Christmas and prosperous New Year. Sanfosau MK Leopard Desk. Bese sothi lapha kwizikhova ezimnqine eRockville 19 23 sizothi ngaphansi kokuphila kwekhova, Happy Christmas and prosperous New Year. Sithe endlini enkulu yakasibiya, Happy Christmas and prosperous New Year. Siphinde sizothi ke kumkhonto wesizwe party kunxamalala enkandla, sithi hayi ma comrade, ma patriot, ma activist, sizothi siyabonga uNkulunkulu sithathe saze saba la isikhona njengamanje. Sizothi nje uNkulunkulu akasize sonke. Bese ngizothi ke specifically ke abasebenzi okuwona line engihamba ngawo kakhulu from iSanford Sound MK Labor Desk, ngizothi kunina bafowethu i-office lethu elilapha edolobheni laseThekwini ku Sangro House ku1308 livuliwe. Sehlise nje amalunga okusebenza noma abasebenzi sathi kuba downscaler to 50% of 100%. Kusho ukuthi abasebenzi bakhona emsebenzini laba abaxakekile ngoba sibone ngathi i-influx iningi kakhulu eze officeini njengoba bekuphela unyaka, abasebenzi bengawatholi lamabonus, abasebenzi bengakhokhelwa, inkampani zibashiye bedengwane. Basakwazi abanye ukubasiza, abanye sangakwazi ukubasiza, kodwa ke siyathemba ukuthi masivula sizovula ngaba abasebenzi basizakale bawathole amabonus. Bese ke sithi ke futhi ke sivala only ngama-holiday. Kusho ukuthi mangabe ufisa ukuba se-office uyakwazi ukuza, mawubona ukuthi there is agent awusakwazi ukulinda unyaka ozayo sikhona, si-standby. Abanye bakhona e-office abavula amacala ama-cases, abanye baya-attenda uma ngabe kufanele ku-attendwe. And ke sinale program esiphume nayo esi-initiate ngo December uqala le ama restaurants, silaunch ama restaurants, so siyaqhubeka nayo nakuma sub regions futhi kuyaqhutshekwa nayo, bahambe bechecka nje ukuthi kusetshenzwa ngendlela ecorrect yini. Bese sithe Goli nakhona futhi kuvuliwe i-office lethu livulile. Those who are in Joburg bebona ukuthi they want to get assistance in terms of labor relations and basic conditions of Employment Act, they must go there to our office. Magune emergency of not receiving bonuses or mhlambe bayavaleleka ey'ntweni ey'thize ey'dinga ukuthi basheshiselwe bakwazi ukuphuthuma khona. Empumalanga silaphayana futhi Middleburg sikhona, sizothi futhi nakhona if ever there is something that is urgent bakhona ama-office ethu ayakwazi ukutholakala khona avulile. So bese kuba ise-Northwest nakhona kwi-sub-region ke, kuma-sub-regions amaningi ke ngokwe-MK Labor Desk i-operation is on, sizokwazi ukuthi silekelele la singalekelela khona. So ke we are saying ke asivalile kodwa siyaqhubeka nokubuka ekutheni abantu bakithi basizakala kanjani. So my comrade siyabonga kakhulu, sithi Happy Christmas, engathi uNkulunkulu angaba nani and a prosperous New Year, engathi umndeni ungahlangana wonke ngokuthula nokuzwana, kukakhulukazi even us as politicians abanye bethu siyacela ukuthi engathi singahlala ngokuthula, sibheke si-relax, sibheke okhethweni lika lama local government elections in 2026-27 la khona sizobe sicontestana. Engathi uNkulunkulu nje for this time akube khona ipeace, akube khona ukubekezelelana, akube khona ukuthula ezweni ngegama lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha, okuyena owalenga esiphambanweni ngalezi insuku wazalwa, ezalwa intombi uMaria. Sithi ke bafowethu ke konke okuhle nemndeni yenu siyanifisela khona. Siyazi ukuthi eminye imndeni ayinalutho ezolibeka etafuleni, kodwa sithi ngoNkulunkulu isu lizoba khona. uNkulunkulu uzoliqamba isu ukuthi bakwazi nabo ukujabula, bakwazi nabo ukufana nabo bonke abantu. Siyabonga ke bafowethu, ilokho nje sikushoyo. Bese sithi ke kinina nonke ke bafowethu basebenzi, sivulile. Wozani ema-ofisini, ama-members wethu asikwazi ukusi-connecta nasey'ngcingweni, sikhulumile ukuthi sizoyivula so that bakwazi ukusizakala immediately. Siyabonga kakhulu. God bless you. Engathi uNkulunkulu angahlale nani ngesikhathi sonke, nakuyo yonke leadership esiholayo yomkhonto, from national detachment, from provincial detachments, and also uNqamalala sithi nwelo lude commander, comrade. Siyabonga. Mandla.